Hey guys, welcome back to the Toro rebuilding project. I know it's been a while. I just got caught up doing a bunch of other projects, so I haven't been posting anything about this. So I thought I'd throw a little quick video, a little quick update on where we stand on the rebuild project. So basically, here's the deck. It's already got a like a seal coat after it was stripped down, and now I'm just waiting it for to cure, and then we're gonna be primering it, and then do a final sand and get it painted, so then we can start putting it back together. Already got all the parts for it, the new bearings, the all new blades and everything, so we'll be good to go once the seal cures. So like I said, this is just a quick update. Just wanted to show you where we stand. So this is how the deck looks now after it's been sealed. So it came out pretty good after I got it stripped down. Um, After I stripped down the paint and sanded it, there is some light pitting. You can see the spots. So there is some light pitting. Nothing horrible. So it's not, I mean, you can't even really feel it, so it's nothing like really deep where the paint, I mean, not the paint, but the where the it's worked itself way deep into the metal, and where it start flaking and start chipping and stuff like that. So the deck is still solid. It's 100% solid deck. But because of the pitting, I did use OSFO to kill whatever rust was there. So that's why another part of this video is to show you actually the process I do when I rebuild these decks. So basically strip down the paint and then sand whatever doesn't want to come off with the aircraft paint remover, and then when I have any rust left over or pitting or whatever, this is what I use. So this thing, it basically kills the rust, and it stops the like oxidation process and all that. So this is really good stuff. I've used it a bunch of different times. So that's what I used on this. Just put it on the whole deck and let it do its thing. And now after I use the seal extra, it's like rust, what do you call it? Like a rust reforming sealer type spray. It's made by Rust-Oleum, so I don't have the can with me, but that's what I used for just put a one coat on it. And now I'm gonna go with like this filler primer, just probably like a single nice wet coat on the top to get all the pitting area nice and smooth when I do the final sand. And then we're just gonna spray it with this paint. This is what I use. I buy it at Tractor Supply, if this thing decides to focus, and it's the New Holland red. uh, it's, at least for now, this is like the best red that matches to the Toro. If you know of another paint that matches better, please make sure you drop it in the comment below. I'll go and check it out. But that's what I've been using most of the time, and it's matched pretty good. So yeah, this is where we're at on the deck, and we should be rocking and rolling as soon as this thing cures. We do the, like I said, we do the final primer, sanding and painting it, and then we'll be putting this thing together and going over the little maintenance stuff. And stay tuned for the rest of the video. So like I said, the last video, when it's all done, I'm gonna be doing a complete breakdown on everything, all the cost, all the time, and all that. So thanks for watching again. Stay safe, be blessed, and I'll see you on the next video.